do here is to see how we can have a space between these testimonies and the header. Like we do here, we have a space of 20 pixel. Duplicate, just take it down. Yeah, so I have the space between the header and the testimonies. So now I can fill in the content of this testimonial. I'll click these two, then from my right up, the second person here is Sadiq Manzu. We'll see. I'll come here. I'll put the name, then client detail. He is managing director. CEO. Then his statement. Just paste it there. Then I'll move to the second person. Okay, so now I'm done filling in the content of this testimonial. You can choose the corresponding ratings for each and every one of these testimony. You can come here. This is how you reduce. This one is 4. You can make it 5. You can make it 2. You can make it 1 or make it 2. As the case may be, you just fill in with the rest with respect to what your client give you in terms of review. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing was to have a section where we are actually going to display uh, some of the services that we are offering. To save more time, you can just click this section, right click on it and say duplicate. So now we have it in two places. So we can remove this from here. We don't need it. Then this we just write our services. Our services we provide as the case may be. Services we provide. So in this section, so I'm going to bring an inner section, then I'll call and I'll make it into 4. Mind you, we still have that space in here, into 4 places. Add column, add column. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use an icon box, something of this nature, something of this nature. Then the only thing I'll do is to come here. I can actually duplicate this, uh, duplicate. Now move one down, move it to that column. Then I'm having this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I would like it to be centralized. Yeah. Then I'll remove description. You can leave yours. You can just put icon, write a bit, the topic, the service header, and a brief about the services. Then you now put a button for people to click and go to that section. Rather, we can also make it like this. you just put icon and the topic and the service header. They will link everything to a page that has detail of that services that we're offering. Right? Click here. The first services I'm going to provide here will be web development, website development. Then I'll put an icon with respect to web development. Web. Okay. So it does not have anything with respect to that. So what I'll do, okay, I think it should have, let me search for coding and see code. Yeah, there we have it. So you can use any of this icon. I'll just choose this. Insert. Okay, website development. So I can style this differently. Let me see. Uh, this column should have a padding of, let me say, 50, right? That's too much. Let me just remove that. Okay, I'll say this column should have a padding of maybe 20, right? Then I'll say like what I did to that first section, second section of the site. I'll say style, background type. I'm going to give it a white, should be white. Then background overlay none. Then radius, border radius of, let me say, 10, right? Now I'll give it a shadow. Great. That's what I'm expecting to have. So I can say I can give it a margin of, let me say, 20. Okay, let me preview. So I'm going to have something like this. Okay, website development. Then the next thing is I can duplicate this as well. Duplicate. You can use icons to donate your services. You can also use pictures. But for now, I'm just using an icon here. Otherwise, you can use picture, right? So the next thing is let me say digital marketing. Digital marketing. I'll search with respect to digital marketing. So I'm seeing digital, but I don't know if it's digital marketing. Let me see. Digital marketing icon. Okay, that was Digital Ocean logo. Icon. So I can't really see. Uh, okay, let me see, go to this flat icon is also a good resource for icons. You can search for an icon here. Okay, flat icon is actually a good source. So what I advise you to do, because you can create your own icon here, you just come here and customize your icon. You can create an account with them, or rather you log in. I already have account with them. All I need to do is to type in my password and log. So once you log in, you can search for, okay, let me even search for web development. Is it taking me to web development? So you can download PNG or SVG, but for WordPress, they'll allow you to upload, uh, to only SVG, upload SVG file. And if you come to this site, for you to download SVG version of this icon, you need to purchase their premium version. You need to be paying 7.50 euro monthly, but we are not going to do that. All you need to do, we can download the PNG. After, click download, then free. Click this free. Once you download the PNG, you can convert it to SVG in order for us to use it in our site. So you open another tab and type convert PNG to SVG. Alright, scroll down, then you click this one, png to svg.com. Okay, once you are there, all you need to do from the top, you scroll down to where the right choose file. Then I will just drag this download to there and wait for it to upload. Then if you scroll down, you find out that yes, your file have been uploaded. The next thing is for you to generate SVG, the decent image. Okay, this is what we're having. We're having this icon from here to here. You can download SVG. You see, so we don't need to pay to actually get some things that are premium version. To actually get a premium version of something or for anything for free, but mind you, you can use it in your site now. You just come here and upload SVG. Now come down here and drag it to my website, right? Down is insert. So this is what I'm having. I think it should be here and not there. uh, Upload SVG. I have it in my library already, so I'll just add it from here. Now I think I can actually style, you can style this icon differently. I can come here and say this color I want to be uh, I want it to be a transparent color, right? And I can give it this color. Just copy this color and scroll down from here. Now just paste the color. Yeah. So I can increase the size of this icon. Let's say okay. I think it's okay this way. So the next thing I'm going to do is to reduce the padding. Let me say 8 or 10. 10 is okay. Yeah. So I'm going to, then the title, which is the content, I can actually give it reduce the size. Let me see. Let's assume I give it 20, 14, right? Let's preview it. Okay. So maybe I should delete this, then uh, duplicate this. No, undo. I'll just duplicate the column, so I can call this digital marketing. So the same thing, we'll just come here, search for digital marketing. So I've shown you, so you can do this on your own. To search for it. So I'm going with this. So the same procedure. All you need to do is just to download it. Once you fully download, then uh, you see it has finished downloading. You go back to that site, scroll back to choose file, then sorry, where is it? Yeah, that is it. You just drag it and drop it there. It will upload. After uploading, generate. So you continue from there. So that's what you are going to do to the rest of your icon. If you want to have your own icon in your site, if you want to use icon instead of picture. Okay, so now I've added some of my services here. As you can see, uh, from this folder, ABS Cybertech folder, ABX folder, I have a folder called services icon. So you can use them. Those are the pictures I've converted to SVG. So you may not need to convert it yourself unless you want to practice and understand it very well, so that if you are working for client tomorrow and you want your own icon, then you just go to flat icons, then create account with them and use their icons. Okay, so now we can view the site and see. Okay, so at the end of the day, once you are done developing this homepage or website, we are going to add animations so that if you are scrolling to go, you see some elements coming from the side of the screen. So I'm coming, moving upwards like so. Okay, this is what we have, services we provide. So I think we should add a hover functionalities. Let's go back. This first one, let me see this column. Let's say once it is hover, scrolling effect, uh let me see, mouse effect, mouse track, let's see, let's say scrolling, no, mouse hover. And this mouse hover, let's put it this and see what we have. Update, let's scroll down and see. Oh, it has no effect. Let's just turn that off. Hmm. So what we could do is that we can actually have, let's say, hover animation. Can it grow? Yeah. Okay. I think that's okay. And hover, it should grow. It should grow, not pause grow. And do hover, grow. Likewise, hover, hover animation, grow from style, hover, icon hover, hover animation, grow. The last but not the least, style, hover, icon animation, hover animation, grow, right? So you can update the site. So we can visit the site and see. So now we have this hover effect. Okay. So we can actually make in such a way that people click on it and to take them somewhere. Let's see. It have link. So at the end of the day, if we create a page, we can link this to that page. Let's say home. Just for example, this page that is currently existing on the site. Let me just say home to update. We'll change that later. So we can visit the site again. That is it. So you click on this to take you there. It's only applicable to this. So we've not done that to the rest. Right? So this very section you can give it a background. Let's give it this background, which is EFF5FB. Click on this section from style menu, then background. We click here, color, Ctrl V to paste. Yeah, we are having this. Okay, the next thing we are going to add another section. This section, I'm going to make it a two-column section. Then, first column will be uh, to bring this icon box duplicate, because what I'm going to do here is to display uh, a kind of a contact section for your website user to actually contact you or message you. That way I'm going to choose this, right? So I'm going to say speak, ready to speak with us, or ready to speak with a marketing expert. Get in touch. Ready to speak with a marketing expert. Get in touch. I can break this from here. I'll just say BR. Yeah, BR will allow you to break a line into a new line. Then this write up, I'll just change it from here. I'll say +234 900 55 001 663. This should be our hotline, right? Then this, I'm going to change this icon to something else. Let me go back to flat icon, then search for maybe customer care, customer service, or customer support. Let me see. Yeah, I have. I'll just take this from here. I'll just take this first. Maybe let me make it. Let me give it a color. I want to make it a white color, a white icon, and just choose. This is how you edit an icon for your branding. If you have a color using for your company, you just customize. You just come here and use your color here. Once I'm done, I'll just save to collection. Then I hit download. Download 5.1 free download. And upload it. Sorry. Just drag it and put it here. So it appears here. Say generate. Download the SVG. Now I have it here. I'll go back to the site and upload it here. Upload SVG. Upload. I'll drag it here. Now that I have it uploaded, I'll just insert it. Right? From not seeing it, what happened? Is it because it's white? Okay, so there's only one way to find out. Let me give this column a background color. Let's say background color. Oh, it doesn't really work. I can't find it there. What happened? So if that is the case, let me just leave it black then. I'll just download it from here. Okay, so I'm having now I've uploaded the dark version of it. So all I'm going to do here, first of all, this I'm going to change this background. Okay, let me leave it this way. So icon, the icon, let me transparent. No, I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to give it this color. Let's come here, background. Just copy this, scroll down, icon, color, Ctrl V, then transparent. I think it's better to be white. Then let me see what is the size of this. The size was okay, it doesn't have size. We only have padding of 15, padding of 10. Okay, so I'll just come here, say padding of 10, no size. Yeah, so now I can give this section uh, top and bottom of 50, let me see, 50. Okay, top and bottom of 50. Then I'll give this column, uh, I'll give this column a section, inner section of, let me see, I'm going to uh, delete this, sorry, delete, right click, delete. So I'm going to add uh, something with respect to our services, something that donates what we have been doing and our achievements so far. Let me see if this white, if white will be okay here. If white will be okay here, white is not okay. Just leave it back to black.